Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today, Renault Clio 2007 on 07 plates. It's a 1.4 5-door privilege, it's a petrol. Nice and clean little car, high spec, it's got alloys, it's got twin roofs, I'll show you that in a minute. Tinted glass, it's got a nice tan interior, so the front section opens and the back section is just a window. But yeah, very nice little car, drives good, a little bit high on the clutch, so we're going to put a new clutch kit in it before it goes. It will come with the service. It's just been MOT'd, there is no advisories on the MOT, so we're going to clean MOT for you. 118,000 miles, but as a little second car or a first car even maybe for somebody, or a little runabout. Yeah, nice, it is a nice comfy car. It does drive very well actually, aside from the clutch, which we're going to sort. So it's got 4 electric windows, it's got electric mirrors. It's a nice clean little car. More pictures on the website. It's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call 07 868 722 133. And lots of history with this one as well. It has been well looked after in its past. So give us a call 07 868 722 133.